Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to sell your own Amazon affiliate products on your own blog, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you how to write your own blog and then to sell Amazon affiliate products through that blog. Blogging has been popular for a really long time. It used to be the #1 source to get content online, whether it was a new music release or a new product review. There are tons of blogs that still exist today. There are just so many for every person that you're going to have plenty of options for reading and finding new products to buy. And you too can add to those blogs. You can write your own blog about a certain niche of products that you find on Amazon and refer people through those reviews. So today we're going to look at some different blogs that people have written and referred people using affiliate links. I'm going to teach you how we can approach reviewing products and referring them to potential customers through a blog. So if I do a Google search for review of top health products 2020, I get a bunch of different search results for different product reviews for health products. One that caught my eye was goodhousekeeping.com. So if I click on this one, I can see that there are tons and tons of these different reviews, right? Like 4 best probiotics for women, 5 best water flossers for clean teeth. So when I click on one of these reviews, I can see 4 of the best probiotics for women according to a registered dietitian. So this is like a blog review. It's talking about probiotics and it's listing some of the products. Now notice when we try to buy these, like let's say I was a woman and I wanted to buy one of these probiotic formulas. What I could do is I could click the link. I'm going to open it in a new tab. And notice it's taking me to Amazon. And in the URL actually, it is using a link code, which is telling you that they're doing some sort of referral. So if I were to buy this as a customer from that link and it stores the cookie on the computer, usually they last like 30 days or something like that, then I would get a commission as the blogger for that product. And all they're doing is they're writing these different reviews for these products and they're listing them and putting affiliate links. And you can even see the word affiliate in the URL when it opens, right? When it's referring it. So you know that they're getting an affiliate commission, or at least they could be. So if you're somebody that likes to write or has experience like creating websites and you have some good experience with SEO or willing to learn SEO and you love writing, then blogging would be a wonderful opportunity for you to make money selling Amazon affiliate products. So you might be wondering, how do we do this? You know, how would I start selling an Amazon affiliate product on a blog? You know, you don't own a blog maybe, or you've never created a website. Well, there's tons of ways you can do this. One of the ways you can do this is you can go to a site called Medium. And Medium is a very popular blogging platform, and you could write with them and you could put your links in some of these Medium articles. So you could just sign up for an account, and I think you can sign in with like Google and different services, but tons of different reviewed products and articles are on here. If you're part of the partner program, you can earn money too, so it looks like they have their own monetization plan. This way you can make money from affiliate products and Medium. Another way you could do this is you can create your own WordPress site. There are tons of statistics out there that talk about how WordPress, oh yeah, it says right here, powers 36% of the internet. I was going to say it powers, like 30 to 40% of the internet, so they beat me to it. But WordPress is a really popular software platform to create blogs. It talks all about the features of it. You can open a store, start a blog. You could do both if you wanted to, and link products that way. You could also just use any hosting and web builder. So you could use something like Wix, and you can create a site that way. Wix, Squarespace is another one. There are tons of different website development tools that you can create your blog on. You might be wondering, what do I write in my blog? Say yes in the comments below if you'd love to see me make a video on how to review an Amazon affiliate product in my own blog. I would love to do that. I hope you enjoyed this high-level overview of some of the different options for creating a blog and then putting affiliate link offers within your blog to sell Amazon products. If you want to learn how to be the best affiliate marketer possible as fast as possible, Go down the description right now and click the link drewbusinessaccelerator.com. I got a sweet training for you that will bring you up to speed on the latest and greatest in affiliate marketing. You'll be well on your way to making 6 to 7 figures online in no time. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.